company that is the world's largest automaker. I decided to talk about this company because in 2009, this company suffered a very, it was devastated. The background of this company is that since since the year of 1931 to 2008, this company was the leader of car producing. It was the company that sold more cars in worldwide. But in 2008, the company had due to the crisis, the crisis started to have effects on in companies. Toyota beat General Motors and took the first place of car selling in the market. In 2008, 2009, and 2010, General Motors was the second car automaker company that sold more cars. But in 2011, General Motors regained its place at the first place due to the problem that Toyota had about the tsunami, and Toyota fell to the third place. Volkswagen raised it to the second place. The company is formed by, now it's formed, or it's divided into 4 brands: Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, and Buick, and GMC. These companies, before, the General Motors was formed before by 8 companies. In addition to these ones were Homer, Saab, Pontiac, and Saturn. But due to the recession, Obama forced the CEO of General Motors to sell or to declare the company bankrupt. So a strategy from General Motors was to sell these 4 assets. After this meant one of the world's biggest collapse of a company, but it also was one of the world's greatest rebound of a company, because a company that was bought before in 1970, in the decades of the 1970s, in 2000 was worth $1,000. But in 2009, that same stock or share bought in the 70s was worth $1, less than $1. Once the company was declared in bankrupt, I remember the final number was $0.64. In 2009, the stocks spread 3 times in a ratio first of 2 to 1, then 3 to 1, and then again 2 to 1. Like, it was the worst thing that could happen to General Motors. Also, in this year, in comparison to the past year, in the 3rd quarter, the stocks reduced to 14%, because last year it was worth 1.73 billion, and this quarter was 1.48 billion. Now the stock's value is of $25.44. Also, an important fact is that before the elections,